Hello and welcome to the Riccio Werkstatt. Riccio in Italian means hedgehog, and this movement is the hedgehog greeting. Today's video is part of my series of videos about Neocolor 2, and we're going to do a color guide for Neocolor 2. This means we're going through all the 84 available colors, and I'm swatching them on white paper, black paper, and I'm giving you the light fastness ratings. For today's video, we're looking at the metallic colors within Neocolor 2. Neocolor 2 are water-soluble wax pastels by Caran, and there is also Neocolor 1, which is available in 50 colors, and Neocolor 1 are wax pastels, but they are water resistant, they're not water soluble. And there is a difference between Neocolor 2 and Neocolor 1. In Neocolor 2 there are 10 metallic colors available. You see them here. There are 10, while for Neocolor 2 currently we only have 3 colors that are available. Which are these 3 colors? They are bronze, silver, and gold. So we're gonna look at them in this order, like the medals: bronze, silver, and gold. And from the numbering, it looks like Caran as well has thought in this way. So we start with the swatch on white paper, then swatch on black paper, and then light fastness ratings. So bronze is 497. I'm just giving you the number, and the number you can read it here on the paper coating, and you can read it also here at the end of the paper coating, so that you can still identify the color until the last piece. Okay, let's start with the swatch. So here we have the swatch. The metallic effect, I think it's given by aluminium powder within these pastels. And if you take another pastel, and these ones, maybe it's just my impression, but they feel a bit lighter somehow, these metallic colors. Bronze is very warm, silver is some kind of, aluminium color, and gold, I see it as more green than yellow actually. And now I'm showing you a bit which colors I think are close to these, but they are non-metallic. So for bronze, I have the russet here. I'm putting down a bit of russet and a bit of English red, but I think the russet is probably the closer you get to with the non-metallic to the bronze. And some combinations that I like for bronze is bronze with Veronese green, obviously. 201 is the number of this color. Also with jade green, okay. Jade green and malachite green as well. I think these combinations are pretty nice. But also, so you have this contrast, kind of red and blue, but not exactly red and blue, and then warm and cold. Yeah, I think it's a nice combination. And I also like to use it in combination with some darker brown, like this Toledo brown. Yeah, and probably it would be nice with some kind of mauve, is this color. Let's put it here. Or some kind of ultramarine blue, also nice. Or some kind of violet. I would say. Here it is, the violet. Yeah, I like it. Then the silver. The silver, I think the closest color in the range, which is non-metallic, would be some kind of gray. Gray, but the gray has a bit more, it goes more towards the blue. Gray or light gray probably. Yeah, a mixture of the two maybe. Yeah. And silver. Silver, I really find the combination silver Toledo brown pretty good. Here again it's the contrast, light, dark, cool, warm. Yeah, I like it. Also, I like to use it with, in my opinion, goes quite well with the royal blue. And I like to use it also, I think it goes nicely with the periwinkle blue as well. And then we have the gold. The gold, I think the closest color in the Neocolor 2 range would be this olive brown. You see they're pretty similar, just the gold is metallic and it's a bit lighter and goes a bit more towards the yellow than this, but I still see it as green, so we can have some light olive close to it, and you see, yeah, they are kind of similar, and some olive here. No, the olive is a bit more different. And gold, some color combinations with gold. Let me see, this light cobalt blue, not really. Well, the ultramarine again, I think it goes quite nicely with gold. Then I like it with these brown colors. I think it does a good contrast, being a reddish brown, being this some kind of greenish color. I expect it to go quite well with this burnt sienna I had here, also English red. Yeah, these are some color combinations that I like. Maybe it's not everybody's taste. And then now I'm swatching them on black paper. Okay, so I have to say the feel of this color, they're very creamy, really creamy. I like them, and I like the feel, and they are quite opaque, the three of them. Bronze maybe is a bit more opaque than the other two. In the other two you can see a bit of the black paper in the background, but not that much. I see them at, yeah, mostly opaque, I would say. These two, and the bronze, well, completely opaque, if you ask me, in this case, yeah. And then we go to the light fastness ratings. The light fastness rating of Neocolor is measured according to the Blue Wool scale, and 3 stars means excellent light fastness, 2 stars very good, 1 star good light fastness. And here we have bronze with 2 stars, silver has 3 stars, and gold has 2 stars. That's all for this video. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Many greetings from the Rich Werkstatt. I hope this was useful, and I hope to see you in the next video.